Which of the following functional groups is found in benzoin? And they give us this molecular formula. Okay. Now, if we actually look at this, we can start kind of breaking it down. We see that there's like C6H5 on both sides, so it's kind of symmetric. We have a bunch of we have two other carbons in between, so that must be a chain connecting them with an OH and an oxygen. And also, if you look at the name, right, the prefix is benz, so you must be thinking like benzene rings. And then you also have the suffix OIN. Now, you may or may not know this, but this is actually another ending indicating a ketone. Okay, and so there must be a ketone in this molecule. So D would be our answer based on that, but you also might not know that. So let's see if we can just draw this, right, and account for all of these atoms. So we know that there's probably benzene rings, and again, the C6H5 kind of tips us off on that, and as well as the prefix. So we're going to have something like this, and then they must be connected in some way. So there's got to be like carbons here and here. So they're probably connected like that. Right? And then we have an OH and a hydrogen. Well, one of them could have a hydrogen here and OH here, okay? Because the OH, since it's in parentheses, it must be a hydroxyl group. And then we're left with an oxygen. Well, we could put that as a double bond there, and that's our ketone. And there, everything is accounted for. And indeed, we do have a ketone functional group, as well as a hydroxyl group, all right? But we don't have that in the answer choices.